Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check or delete your usage history in your Windows 10 PC. So if you want to check your live data of your CPU usage or the network usage or the download usage on what apps are using. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you just have to go to the taskbar here and right click on it. Then you have to choose the task manager option here. So after opening the task manager here, you have to go to the app history option here in the up here. Click on app history, and this will show you the live data of your app story of CPU time, network, metered network, tile updates. And if you click on the name option here, right click on it, and you will see also option of downloads here, uploads here. So you can see the downloads, also the uploads here. So if you want to delete your usage history of apps here, so you can just click on the hyperlink option here, delete usage history here. So that's how you check the usage history, and if you click the delete usage history here, it will delete your usage history. So that's it guys, this is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.